Argumentative writing. What is it? The writer presents a claim on a controversial issue and uses evidence to support it. A claim also includes your thesis, or might be also called your position. It will include your turn back. You need to provide evidence for your claim, and you also need to think about your audience when you're making your claim. Your issue is related to your counterclaim, your counter-arguments, and you always want to make sure that you provide facts when you talk about your issue. Why is argumentative writing important? Learning how to write an effective argument is key to learning critical thinking skills and an important part of school and real-life writing. I'm sure that you've been a part of an argument at some point in your life, and learning how to write in an argumentative way will also help you throughout your life. An issue is a topic from society that people have different opinions about. This may be something that's personal to you or something that's just happening right now in today's society. It may not necessarily be personal to you, but something you're just interested in writing about. A claim is an individual's conclusion about a text, topic, event, or idea. How does argument writing differ from persuasive writing? Persuasive writing also involves making a claim. However, the supporting details are based on feelings and emotions. Persuasive writing is about how you feel and what you think about something. It's not necessarily based on facts and evidence. A persuasive statement might be, "All my friends will be going, and I will be mad if I can't go." That's a persuasive statement. Another one might be, "Poor thing, you'll be mad? In that case, too bad, so sad, bucko."